Let's be real. If you're living in the US right now, you've noticed it. The price of groceries, gas, and rent is skyrocketing, while your paycheck stays exactly the same. It feels like you're running on a treadmill that's going way too fast. But what if I told you that while you're sleeping, your laptop and phone could be working for you? Today, on Dollar Proof Daily, I'm breaking down 7 passive income streams and apps that are actually working in 2026. No fluff, no scams, just real methods, and make sure you stay until the very end, because method number 1 is a secret strategy that 99% of people are ignoring, and it's the easiest money I've ever made. Let's kick things off with method number 7, the AI feedback loop. Tech giants in Silicon Valley are spending billions to train their AI models right now. But these models need human input to make sure they sound natural. Platforms like Data Annotation or Remotasks pay US residents up to $25 an hour just to review AI-generated text. It's highly flexible. You can do it from your couch while watching Netflix or sitting in a Starbucks. It's the perfect side hustle to turn your dead time into dollar signs without needing any special degree. Moving on to method number 6, digital real estate. You've heard of flipping houses, but flipping websites is much easier and requires zero down payment. Here's how it works. You create a simple lead generation website for a local business, like a landscaper in Texas or a plumber in Ohio. These business owners are busy working. They don't have time to run Facebook ads. You build the site, rank it on Google, and then rent that digital space to them for a monthly fee of $500 to $1,000. Once it's set up, the money hits your account every single month. Number 5 is massive right now. Automated faceless channels, just like the video you're watching right now. With AI tools in 2026, you can create high-quality YouTube content without ever showing your face or buying an expensive camera. You pick a profitable niche, let the AI write the script, generate the visuals, and you just collect the ad revenue. Before we get to the top 4, I want to hear from you. Which of these methods sounds the easiest to you so far? Drop the word passive in the comments below, and I will personally reply with a link to my favorite tool to help you get started. Method number 4, AI stock footage goldmine. Did you know that filmmakers, YouTubers, and ad agencies in the US are constantly buying short video clips for their projects? Instead of buying a $2,000 camera, you can use AI video generators to create high-quality 4K B-roll. You then upload these clips to sites like Pond5, Shutterstock, or Adobe Stock. Every time a creator downloads your AI-generated clip of a sunset over New York or a golden retriever running, you get paid a royalty. It's a 24/7 digital storefront. Method number 3 is high-yield digital staking. Keeping your money in a traditional US savings account is like letting it melt. Big banks pay you pennies. In 2026, savvy investors use automated platforms for digital staking. By providing liquidity to secure networks, you can earn between 5% and 8% annually. It's literally clicking 3 buttons on an app. Method number 2, the micro SaaS revolution. You don't need to code anymore. Ask an AI to write the code for a simple tool like a freelance tax calculator for the US market. Host this tiny tool on a basic website, put ads on it, and let people use it for free. It requires zero maintenance and generates ad revenue while you're out living your life. And finally, method number 1, the big one, the AI agency arbitrage. There are millions of small businesses in America, restaurants, gyms, real estate agents, that desperately need marketing videos for TikTok and Instagram, but they can't afford a $5,000 production team. You can go to platforms like Upwork or email them directly and offer them high-end AI commercials for just $300. It takes you 20 minutes to generate the video using AI tools. You're providing massive value for a fraction of the cost, and the profit margin is nearly 100%. Building wealth in 2026 isn't about working harder. It's about working smarter with the tools we have. If you found value in this video, hit that subscribe button for dollar proof daily. I've put a fast start guide in the description below with links to every tool mentioned. Take action today, and I'll see you in the next one.